Math Solver 1117. We make quick, powerful lessons for competitive math exam. If you are new, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. Today Olympiad math problem is p square minus q square equals 21. You have to find the value of order pair p and q. For this purpose, first we take p square minus q square formula, that is p plus q into p minus q, and which is equals 21. Now here is a condition that we know sum of two numbers is always greater than their subtraction. So p plus q greater than p minus q. Now we will write this as p plus q into p minus q equals 21 into 1 order pair. Then we can also write p plus q into p minus q as 1.21 and p plus q into p minus q can be write as 7.3 and p plus q into p minus q can be write as 3.7. These are the possibilities for the solution. Now we can take only the pair where p plus q answer is greater than p minus q. You can see the first pair represent the p plus q value and the second represent p minus q value. Here you can see 21 is greater than 1, so this pair is right. 1.21 is not. 7.3 is right because 7 is greater. So we will use only these two pairs for our solution. So first we take case 1. Now we have p plus q equals 21 and p minus q equals 1. We will add both of them to get it become 2p equals 22 and p equals 22 by 2, which means p equals 11. Now substitute the value of p in this equation. So 11 minus q equals 1, which implies that 11 minus 1 equals q. So 10 equals q, which implies that we get the pairs as p equals 11, q equals 10. So order pair pq equals 11 into 10. So for verification, we will see that p square minus q square equals 121 minus 100, that is equal 21. So our answer is right. Now we will discuss second case. Now we have second case, p plus q into p minus q equals 7.3. It means that p plus q equals 7 and p minus q equals 3. We will again add both the equations. So we get 2p equals 10, which implies that p equal 10 by 2, p is 5. So substitute this value of p in this equation. So 5 minus 3 equals q, 2 equals q, which implies that we get the values of p and q as p equals 5 and q equals 2. Now according to given situation, their square must be equals 21. So p square is 25 and q square is 4. So 25 minus 4 is 21. So this is the right pair. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another most important Olympiad problem. So the final answer of this question is PQ equals 10 and 11 and PQ equals 5 and 2. So this will be the answer.